Hello cowboys and cowgirls, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a night routine of a village girl. So please subscribe to this sugar, spice and everything nice. Don't forget to hit the notification bell too. Enjoy. Like I said earlier, today we are going to do a vlog basically on a night routine of a normal village African lady. I am Jackie the cowgirl from Kenya. So let's hop on to it. I understand people from other countries, you normally do have timetables. Oh my. In the village, there's nothing like a timetable. You can opt to do a timetable for your cooking. But here we decide to go by the flow. On this particular day, I thought of doing vegetables and ugali. Ugali is just some mixture of corn flour with water. So yeah, that's how I'm preparing the vegetables.
In progress, good things go slow. And I'm no saint. I fall and you pick me up again. Got your habits, got them too. Just feel like maybe I could lose them with you. Sinking in, and I guess I kinda like that. For the first time, you really got my back. Got your habits, got them too. Just feel like maybe I could lose them with you. Lose them with you. Lose them with you. Just feel like maybe I could lose them with.
Back in the village, the most used energy is firewood and charcoal. So I had to go and get myself firewood after shredding the vegetables so that I can light up my fire and prepare myself to cook. By the time you're doing all this, it's quite an exercise, because in the village in the evening you don't even need to go to the gym. Already the work you'll have done in the house, it's enough for you don't need even to go to have yourself any exercise. This is enough exercise.
Yeah.
In Africa, lighting bonfire is a skill, by the way. If you even don't know how to light fire, oh, it's a skill by itself. So come along, I show you how to light a bonfire. And now it's the time I'm preparing my kitchen. So I have to light up the fire with the wood that I'd fetched. Learn something. Come along. A village is not a village without livestock. So this particular day, I was the one on duty to take the sheep back home. So this sheep decided, you know what? I've been confined in one place. Now it's the time I'll show you have got freedom. So it took a toll on me and made me run. I ran to the level that I felt like I was about to fall. But that is the sweetness of village life, chasing around with cattle, livestock, and any other thing. In Africa, there's no homestead without a chicken or a hen or a goat. I don't know if you in your country you don't rear hens and cattle and all that, but yeah, this was the time I was supposed to close for the hens and the chicken and the yeah and the cockerels. So it's that retiring time to sleep. So that's another duty before it gets late. Now it's time for me to prep my 𝐔𝐘𝐒. My 𝐔𝐘𝐒, I don't know how I call it. Yeah, charcoal burner. So I had to put on my charcoal burner some fire and then add some charcoal because there's no ugali that is sweet like the charcoal energy made ugali. So yeah, that's the mode of cooking ugali in this particular day.
The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy. Ah, and lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing. Ah, it's been a while, been a while, been a while. Oh, that. Oh, that. Been a while, been a while, been a while. Oh, that.
After doing my massacre on my ugali and vegetables, in this particular day it was so cold, and village taps don't have hot running water. So the sweetness of washing utensils in the village, it's hot water in your basins, and you wash with another basin, and it's the it's the act within that matters. Anyway, so yeah, I cleaned my utensils before going to do my bathing and all that before I retire to bed. Enjoy. Doesn't matter even if I'm washing with basin.
The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy. Ah, and lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing. It's been a while, been a while, been a while. Oh, that. Oh, that. Been a while, been a while, been a while. Oh, that. Oh, that. Been a while, been a while, been a while.
So that's actually the typical African night routine in Africa. specifically, and then the lights decided to get lost before I retired to bed, and I have to read my Bible and do my prayers. So thank you guys for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe, comment, and please tell me something or how you do your night routine. You can also share on us for us to see. So till next time, God bless you, and I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you so much. Keep safe and avoid COVID-19. Thank you and good night.